Let's do this oral nail design with gel polish. So we apply base coat, we cure for 60 seconds, okay, and then we're going to be applying our preferred nude color, okay. Cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to be applying our top coat. Guys, you apply your top coat, you cure for 60 seconds, and then you are going to puff, okay. Yeah, so this is how it is looking after applying our top coat, and then we're going to start puffing our nails. Guys, this is actually a long process. If you don't want to apply top coat and then you puff, then you can use your matte gel polish, okay. Your matte gel polish is a very good alternative, but you don't have a matte gel polish, because I don't have a matte gel polish, okay. That is why I'm applying my top coat, and then we're going to puff. So let's just dive into the design, okay. Yeah, so I first went with this color, and then we're going to be using our makeup foam, okay, which they use it to blend foundation and all that, okay. So we're going to dab with it, okay. But I actually felt this color was not really popping out the way I wanted it to be. Okay, so I mixed the color with with this color, this our coffee brown gel polish, okay. I mixed it with our nude color, okay, and it gave me a preferred color that we actually used. So basically what we are doing, okay, we'll apply our gel polish, okay, at the middle of the foam, okay, and then we're going to dab in, okay, just the way I am doing it, okay. You dab to your satisfaction, and then you move over to the next finger. So as soon as we are done, we cure for 60 seconds, okay, and then we reapply the same method on the the first base, okay. As you can see, I am reapplying the gel, okay, with the foam on our first application. Yeah, okay, just for the ombre design to pop out very well, okay. So guys, what I did on this video, okay, like I said, I like making my videos to be detailed as possible, okay. So on this my left finger, which is the one I am doing now, as you can see, I applied it twice, and on my right finger I am going to be applying it once, okay, so that you can compare the two. Okay, so we're going to be applying on our right finger, okay, and we're just going to be doing it once, okay. We're not going to be popping it like we did in the first one, okay. So our right finger is going to be a bit lighter, and the left finger is a bit more pronounced, okay, just for you guys to compare and then see the one that you will prefer to use, okay, or the method that you prefer to use rather. So this is what it is giving, okay. So guys, if you are watching this video up to this extent, that means you are actually enjoying this video, okay. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or if you are enjoying the video. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, please subscribe to this channel, okay. Tell me in the comment section what you actually think about this video. Okay, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support and encourage me. I really love you guys so much. Thank you so much, and God bless you. My first time viewers, please turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, as soon as we are done, we cure for 60 seconds, okay, and then we're going to be going over to the next step, which is what I am doing. Okay, so I'm just using the any preferred, you can use any preferred color of your choice, okay, to just draw, should I call it French tips, okay, or just draw around this fourth finger, okay, just to pop out the design more and to define the look a little bit. Yeah. And this is what is giving. Okay, it looks so beautiful already. And then we're going to be applying our top coat, guys. This is because applying your top coats before your rhinestone glue or your hard gel, it's actually better, okay, because top coat does not really sit well on top of your rhinestone glue. Okay, so you're going to be applying your top coat first before you apply your 3D design, okay, which we are going to be using both our rhinestone glue, as you can see, and then our 3D design. Guys, like I said, top coat does not really sit well on top of rhinestone glue and 3D and your hard gel polish, okay, your hard gel, which you use to draw your design. That is why I always advise for you to, or it is always advised for you to apply your top coat first before your rhinestone glue, okay. And that is basically all we did for today's tutorial. As you can see, you cure each application before you go to the next design, okay. Any design you drop with your rhinestone glue, you are going to cure it. You have to cure it before you go to the next, so that your first one is not going to melt down, okay. Okay, so we're going to be using our hard gel, okay, to draw our 3D design, okay. So you can either use your hard gel or your rhinestone glue, okay. They are both going to give you the same results. And this is what is giving, okay. So I did the other hand off camera, okay, and guys, it actually came out beautiful. Okay, so tell me in the comment section which hand you prefer, okay. Do you prefer the one that that I applied twice, or the one I did once? Tell me in the comment section, okay. And please don't forget to like and follow for more, subscribe for more, okay. See you guys in our next video. Mwah. Bye.